Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 22nd, Sunday, and on this post, I'm going to be talking to you about the overall crypto markets real quick, as well as diving into the charts for BAND protocol, BANDUSD, and see what has changed since my last post some time ago. I'm going to be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit. And I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. But let me know what symbols you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now let's take a look exactly what's going on in the markets first. Most importantly, I do like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance. It tells me where the money is flowing into or out of, whether it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. Currently, we do have Bitcoin dominance that's down slightly from yesterday, currently below 65%, and that is attributed to Bitcoin price action is dropping more than the total altcoin market cap. As we can see from yesterday, since Bitcoin reached almost 19K, it had pulled back, has taken a lot of the other altcoins down with it. This is why I also emphasize, aside from looking at just the altcoin charts, also keep an eye out on Bitcoin price action. Any pullback on Bitcoin price action could adversely affect altcoins. Now let's take a look at BAND protocol, BANDUSD. See what has changed since my last post some time ago, because I don't really see much has changed. Price action has still been running between this interval of about $7.60 and the range of about $3.60. So quite a bit of range that band has been running in. So a lot of volatility here. But if we actually look on the daily time frame, we can actually see that an inverse head and shoulders pattern, complex inverse head and shoulders pattern, is forming with the shoulders here, the head, and then we have the first right shoulder here. Now, this is a bullish reversal pattern, and the measure target of this pattern is at about almost $12, which is by taking the distance from the neckline to the bottom wick and then adding it back to the neckline. Okay, so the neckline here is about $7, roughly $7.70. Okay, if price action does break out of this resistance, which had been the resistance for a while, if you actually take a look at the trading history, we had quite a few attempts trying to break that $70.70 level approximately, but have not been able to do it yet. Now, it may not be necessary for the price action to actually complete the second right shoulder for it to be symmetric to actually break above this neckline, but we'll just have to see. So if it does break above this neckline, then that's the measure target I'm looking at. It may or may not be reached. It is only theory. Do be mindful of that. Okay? So the bullish case scenario, without having to say it again, will obviously for the price action to break above that neckline and go towards that measure target. There are quite a bit of resistance that is in between here as well, such as the Fibonacci retracement level here at about $9.50, and of course at the measure target. These are all Fibonacci retracement levels. If we actually take a look back at the trading history, We can see why, because there had been quite a bit of support and resistance at those levels. So something to also be mindful of. Now, the bearish case scenario will obviously for the price action to start sagging in a way that would destroy the form of this inverse head and shoulders and invalidate it. So the first level of support I'll be looking at for the price action to actually invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern would for the price action to break below this level right here, the daily 200 simple moving average, which is the orange line. If price action does actually break below that support level, as we can see here, then the next shoulder would possibly be lower than most of these other shoulder levels, okay? Now, this is just very much my opinion, okay? Because I like to have both bullish and bearish case scenarios. I like to know when I'm right and when I am starting to look like I am wrong. So this would be one signal for me if the next shoulder actually is lower than the previous shoulder and the past shoulders here. Okay, now that is my bearish case scenario. If we get a daily close below this daily 200 moving average, that's a bad sign for me. Now, this concludes my very short update on BAND protocol, BANDUSD. Please let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your thoughts, feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. If you guys would like to check out any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out the links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.